What are the good karmas related to moon? Offering vegetarian food to poor people. Distribute foods. Chandra loves it. Motivating people to be vegetarian, right? That's the best karma that you can do for your bad moon. Somebody was saying, Guruji, I have really bad moon. What should I do? Just give water to everyone, na? Where everyone keep on distributing water. People say जिसका चंद्रमा खराब होता है उसको पानी की छबील नहीं लगानी चाहिए, उसको पानी नहीं देना चाहिए. Wrong. When your moon is bad, give water to thirsty. Heal people emotionally. Do not enjoy somebody's emotion. Somebody is crying, and then you think that you've listened to their entire Ram Katha, and now you go to a person and say, "अरे वो तो इतना दुखी है, उसको तो ये problem है, उसकी बात आगे कर दो." Moon will be very angry with you. Meditation, taking bath in the rain is the best remedy for moon. If your moon is afflicted, moon with Rahu, moon with Ketu, moon with Shani, right? Just take a bath in the rain. Whenever it rains, just go out. See, I have moon in Anuradha, and trust me, every time it rains, I just go out and I stand in the rain. I just go out. No matter what meeting is going on, I'll just go out, right? Or at least I'll keep a bucket outside and gather the water of rain, and I'll take a shower. I'll take a shower of it. At least I'll rinse my face and my feet. That's for sure. That is something I'll do. Moon and Rahu, take a shower. Take a shower in the rain. Now, बारिश में भीगो, आपका moon Rahu combination ठीक हो जाएगा, right? Bathing in the pond or a pool or a bathtub is also one of the remedies for an afflicted moon. Go to Haridwar, go to a river, go to Gangaji and do a safe bath, where you have those ghats. Going to Haridwar, going to take a dip in a holy water is one of the best remedies for the moon. One of the best remedies. One of the best remedies. Distributing milk and Shiva devotee and promoting Krishna consciousness is a biggest remedy that you can do for moon. Both Krishna and Rama had moon in the Lagna. Moon in the Lagna for Krishna. Moon in the Lagna for Shri Ram. Just spread their name. Just motivate people, by saying Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Your moon will be fine. See, if you keep your mother happy, that's another remedy that you can do. But on the same time, nowadays keeping mother and father happy is very difficult, and and keeping children happy is further difficulty for mother and father. This is Kali Yuga, right? So be emotionally attached. This healing others emotionally. When I say others, it is your parents, your family, children, everyone. When you are cruel, when you are violent, when you are not offering water to thirsty, not feeding milk to a child. This is one problem in Kali Yuga that I have seen. What do these mothers do right now? They have stopped giving milk to the children within 1 year. Otherwise, it is recommended that you should feed your child for 3 years. 3 साल के बच्चे तक को मदर फीड देनी चाहिए. आजकल माँ अपनी फिजिकल एंजॉयमेंट के लिए 8-9 महीने में दूध छुड़वा देते हैं बच्चे को. उनकी फिजिकलिटी खराब ना हो जाए, वहां पर दूध छुड़ा दिया जाता है, विच इज अ बैड कर्मा. कभी कभी क्या होता है, यू आर बिजी इन द वर्क, चाइल्ड इज स्लीपिंग until the child doesn't cry, the mother doesn't feed. Even that is bad. Nowadays children doesn't cry, they go weak and they don't cry. This is not Satyuga, this is not Dwapar or Treta. So that is where the problem is. You should feed milk to the children, right? Especially the mother feed is very, very important, extremely important. When you destroy rivers, you disrespect water, you offer non-vegetarian food, when you waste water, these are all, intentionally or non-intentionally, you're doing these karmas. You are gathering the bad vibration. A lot of people say, Guruji, what would I have done bad? After this class, you would know what. If your moon is bad, you have been cruel, you have been violent, you have been not offering water to the thirsty. You have been destroying rivers. You have been disrespecting water. You had a can of a beer or a wine. I don't know, wine is also in the can. No, it's in the bottle. So if you had and then you throw that bottle or a can in the river, you just did your moon bad. You just did your moon bad. You offered, you went on a party, but you don't eat non-vegetarian, but you paid for someone else who ate the non-vegetarian food. You've generated a bad karma of moon for yourself unintentionally. See, you are very clear in front of God that you've not eaten non-veg, but you've paid for it. Whenever I am with my friends, I tell them that you want to eat, you want to drink, I will not pay for it. You can throw me out of this gang or a group. I'm not gonna. I know there's a bad karma involved. I won't. Sorry. I can give you my blood. I can pay anything to you, but I'll not pay for the non-vegetarian food. I'm sorry. Or I will not go in such parties. If there's any marriage or a birthday or a function, I will not keep non-vegetarian food as well. I will not do it. Protecting family is mangal. What are the best things that you're doing when you protect your family, when you protect your country, using power for right things? No foolish act of bravery. This is one thing which is taught in the army, that if you have 10 people in front of you and you wish to fight, you should not fight. You should leave them and come back. You should not show the foolish act of bravery. That is doing your Mars bad and you'll be bitten badly, right? Distributing food with desi ghee. Desi ghee is mangal, I must tell you. So अगर आपका मंगल बैड है तो आपको देसी घी की चीजें दान करनी चाहिए. देसी घी के लड्डू, देसी घी की जलेबी. गिव इट टू पुअर पीपल, राइट? हलवा बना के. अगर सूर्य और मंगल दोनों खराब है तो सूर्य गेहूं है, गेहूं का देसी घी का हलवा आप बनाकर, गुड़ वाला, जैगरी वाला, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन पीपल. योर मार्स विल बी very good. Shri Ram devotee. You keep on saying Ram, 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 Ram every day, your Mars, you keep on doing nursing Aarti, your Mars will become better. Become Brahmachari. You know who is a Brahmachari? A married person can also be a Brahmachari. Why? Because he's having relation with his wife only and during the night only. That is also equal to Brahmachari. That is also because having, Grahast is also an ashram. So the moment you go out and think out of the marriage, that is where your brahmacharya is gone. Okay, everyone, Shri Ram had children. Every saint had children. Every rishi, all those sapt rishis were only those rishis were taken who had children, because they know what is creation. They know what is progeny. Someone who doesn't have a child will never understand the principles of progeny. They will never ever understand that. So that is why when this creation was happening of the universe, Ma Parvati only picked up those 7 rishis who were married and who had children. No brahmachari rishi was taken, none of them. And they were also given the designations of brahmachari because they were within their wife and within their family, right? So if you are married, you are still a brahmachari if you don't go out, if you don't have any illicit relations, right? And you have a lot of respect in the eyes of Shri Ram. Shri Ram will really love you that if you are loyal and honest with your life partner. Exercising regularly is a great karma that you can do for Mangal, right? On the same time, what are the bad karmas? Killing people, killing animals, birds, killing insects, just showing your terror, misusing power, no physical activity, doing nothing, never going to the gym, not exercising. If you can't go to gym, if you can't exercise, go for a walk, do little bit of yoga, do little bit of pranayam. If you can't do that, सिर्फ अपना काम ही खुद कर लो, अपने कपड़े खुद धो लो, अपने बर्तन खुद मांज लो, अपने लिए पानी का गिलास खुद ले आओ, अपना खाना खुद बना लो. Even that is a karma that you've done, right? Do not sit like a crocodile, just do not lay like a crocodile, do not hibernate, right? You are really making your Mars bad. Being horny all the time, all the time you are gazing on Instagram and looking at reels, and all the time you're looking at Facebook reels and whatnot. We have a lot of lot of horny stuff, going on, and it is easily accessible nowadays for the children. They are making their mangal bad. They are making their vitality, their willpower, their strength. See, mangal is a karka of third house. They are reducing their prakram every single minute. That's what the new generation is doing.